Hey everyone. In this video, I'll compare Tella versus Loom in 2026 and help you decide which tool is actually better for your needs. Yeah, both are powerful screen recording tools, but they're designed for different types of users. So understanding their strengths will help you choose the right one because honestly, picking the wrong tool can slow down your workflow. So first, let's talk about Loom. Uh, Loom is built for speed and communication. You can record your screen camera or both and instantly share the video with a link. It's perfect for team collaboration, client updates, or quick feedback without long meetings. Next, Tella. Yeah, Tella is focused more on content creation. It gives you advanced features like clip-based recording, smooth transitions, zoom effects, and customizable layouts, which help you create clean, professional-looking videos for YouTube courses or marketing. After that, then editing and quality. Uh, Loom offers basic editing like trimming and simple cuts, while Tela provides more creative control, letting you design polished videos with better visual presentation and storytelling. Also, ease of use. Yeah. Loom is faster and simpler for quick recordings, but Tela may take slightly more time while giving you higher quality results. And yeah, team features. So, Loom clearly wins here with integrations, comments, and analytics, while Tela is more suitable for individual creators. Finally, the verdict. Most of the time, use Loom for fast communication and teamwork, and use Tela when you need high quality professional content. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.